What's up guys, Abel here. Welcome to another home night workout. In this video, I'm going to teach you some exercises. And you don't need a lot of equipment to do this type of exercise, and all you need is a little bit of space. Currently, I'm in my room and I'm going to use that space, as you can see right now, to do my workout. So that's basically what you need. And especially if you're worried about the current situation and also you wonder how you're going to do your workout. So one thing I would recommend you is to clear some space in your room and then do your workout. One thing I would recommend is before we get into the exercise is to stretch, also warming up. So these two things are very important. They're crucial before any type of workout. So do it right before you get started. Now that we're done with the warm-up, so we're gonna move on into the exercise. So for this, we're gonna use some dumbbells. Currently, I'm using the 8-pound dumbbell. I would recommend you to start with a 3 pounds, 5 pounds, or even 10 pounds. Depends on how much you can carry or how heavy you wanna do it. So yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, for this particular exercise, this is the way we're gonna do it. So we're gonna hold the dumbbell like this, and we're gonna come down, okay? Keep our back straight, and then we're gonna push up. Down, back straight, bang. Okay, down, overhead press. Simple as that. And then keep going. Just keep going until you feel that burn. Okay, so next, basically, we're gonna do some push-ups.
You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know.
The way I do my workout is very simple. Remember this, simplicity is the key. So you're not trying to be the biggest guy in the room. You're not trying to be the biggest guy walking down the streets and ready to knock some heads off. So the point is, you're trying to be healthy. You're trying to maintain a good, healthy lifestyle. Also helping yourself going through this pandemic, and hopefully by summer, even during the spring, you can kind of like going out there and then do your workout. So basically you're trying to be healthy in general. That's the entire point of it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to post more videos like this, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much and be good.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I